A Ukrainian army lieutenant said Russian soldiers were fighting stupidly and without strategy as President Vladimir Putin's forces continued to make little military progress in their 5-week war in the Eastern European country. The Russians are fighting stupidly, Second Lieutenant Tatiana Chornovil, a former politician, told CBS News in an interview that aired on Thursday. They don't focus on the eastern Donbas region. The US and Ukraine have expressed skepticism over Russia's claim, which comes amid ongoing peace negotiations, and said troop movement was likely a redeployment rather than a withdrawal. Casualties among Russian forces are not widely reported in Russia itself, but using open-source material, the BBC has pieced together the story of their advance and found that at least 39 other members of the elite 331st Regiment have died. The men were part of a column that advanced into Ukraine from Belarus, led by Russia's airborne forces, known by the acronym VDV. Their presence underlined the priority of their objective, advancing on the capital, Kyiv. That advance swiftly got drawn into a destructive stalemate in districts on the outskirts of Kyiv, which soon became synonymous with the viciousness of the war: Bucha, Irpin, and Hostomel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.